Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I will show you how to change background color in Canva. So let's start. Over here you can see this is one of my design and I want to change background of this design. Then first of all click on this background and after that click on this background color. Click over here and you can find multiple colors. Over here you can see here are solid colors and gradients. You can choose any from here. First of all, let's look for solid colors. I will choose this pink. And you can see background of our design is already changed. Also, we can use gradients. For gradients, I will let's choose this one. See, our background color is changed by gradient colors. So in this way, we can change background color in Canva. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.